What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back up at this new job. We have a crew of guys here who have been working on the temporary bracing out here for the girder for the wraparound porch. That is what we are really going to be working on today. I had to make a pit stop on our way up here and check on one of our plow trucks. It is September 10th and winter is coming up soon. It's going to be here before we know it. So I had to check on that truck. But if you saw my video here, I believe it was 2 videos ago, you know that there is an issue with the bathroom layout and decisions had to be made on what changes are going to be done in order to accommodate the customer. So the customer wants a tub in the bathroom here, and with the current layout, the tub would just eat up too much space and it wouldn't really fit. You'd be squeezing by your tub to get into your shower every time, and it really just would not work at all. So my father met with the homeowners here this morning and they made the decision to move the closet out to here. So you'll come up the top of your stairs here and there will be a hallway to that bedroom rather than this just being a big square landing area. You'll have your closet here now. Obviously the door will be inside the master bedroom here, right behind this little scaffold here. And this will be completely framed shut. You'll have your bathroom door here, but the closet will now be part of the bathroom. So it gives you a lot more space. I have some tools here. The guys are just taking breakfast right now. I ate breakfast on my way up here. So while they're eating breakfast, I am gonna cut this 2x4 wall out and get rid of it. All right, so that really opened it up in here. Now you can see how much more room we'll have. I think this 2x6 wall might be getting slid a little bit this way. We will have an issue with our ceiling beams being that they both land on that wall. So we're gonna have to put a beam in or something, or we can leave that wall and give the closet a little bit more room, because the closet is a bit smaller out there than it was here, and it was already kind of small. But overall, even if you have your closet to like here, pretty much flush, this is gonna be framed shut, keep in mind, but if your wall was here rather than there, you still have a ton more room in your shower you can put, or in your bathroom. Put your vanity along this wall and then enter your shower this way. But that is it for now up here. We'll have to figure out what we're doing with this wall in the future. Time to head on outside and work with those guys.
Let's go.
All right guys, we are just starting to get wrapped up for today. I know I didn't talk too much in today's video, but it was a slow moving day and we kind of knew that was going to happen, which is why there's only 5 of us here, including my father. It is super slow lifting these LVLs up for the girder for this wraparound porch, and you have to obviously move the machine from spot to spot, which takes time, plus cutting the LVLs, putting them on the lift, getting them up in place, nailing them off. It is not a quick thing at all. But we got the triple LVL down the side here, triple LVL all the way across the front, and we're to the corner over there. We have to make the turn and head back to the backyard tomorrow, but I believe we are having a full crew here tomorrow to finish the girder and then get ceiling beams in. And I'm not sure if this is happening tomorrow, but I overheard him on the phone with someone talking about a window delivery. Plus he has me stopping in the morning to pick up house wrap and window tape. So if we're doing that tomorrow, then this house is going to be looking much different by the end of the day. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.